So the question says, find the equations of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 10 drawn from the point 4 comma minus 2. Okay, so this is the tangent, okay, which is drawn from point 4 comma minus 2. Okay, and this is the point a comma b where it touches the circle. Okay, now what is the equation of any line? So here I am finding out the equation of AP, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? What is the equation of the circle? I mean equation of a straight line, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? So here what is x1? X1 is 4 and what is y1? Y1 is minus 2. So if I put the values, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, so what I will get? I will get this, right? Now we need to find out the perpendicular distance between this center and this line AP. So how to find out the perpendicular distance? You see, अच्छा perpendicular distance বার করতে জানো between a point and a line? Equation of straight line ছিল, জানো কি নবনীত? Perpendicular distance between a point and a line. না জানলে বলে এখনই বলে দিচ্ছি।
না স্যার।
হ্যাঁ
না স্যার।
ও বাবা, তাহলে কি করে করবে এটা? দেখো বলছি। Okay, say for example there is an equation, say 3x plus 2y plus c equals to 0. Okay, so this is a line and here we have a point, say 1 comma 2. I need to find out this perpendicular distance. Okay, so this line is 3x plus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, I need to find out this perpendicular distance. So how to find out this perpendicular distance? D is equals to, देखो, mod of, okay, 3 into, now put 1 in place of x, put 2 in place of y, and plus 6 as it is, divided by root over square of x is coefficient, square of y is coefficient. Okay, is the variation. So from here we will get 3 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 9 plus 13 root 13. So that will give me 13 by root 13. Wow, and that will give me root 13. Okay, is the variation. This is how we find out the perpendicular distance between a point and a line.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, this was a part of equation of straight line, and here we have an application of that. So perpendicular distance between O and A is what? Root 10. Root 10 is the perpendicular distance, right? That is equals to, now say I want to find out the distance between what? The origin and this line. So what I need to do? I need to put 0 comma 0 in this line, right? So in place of x we put 0, in place of y we put 0, and what we left with is 4m plus 2 divided by root over what is the coefficient of x minus m. So the square of minus m is going to be m square plus the coefficient of y is 1, so 1. Okay, now if you square both the sides and if you solve, you will get this quadratic equation, two slopes. Now if you solve it, you will get two values of slopes, one is minus 3 and the other is 1 by 3. Okay, now when m is equals to 1 by 3, at that time just put the value of m in this equation. So y minus 1 by 3 into x plus 4, 1 by 3 plus 2, so that gives me this. Now put m is equals to minus 3 in the same equation, okay, in the same equation, and you get this. বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আচ্ছা, এটা কপি করবে তুমি। পরেরটা দেখো, ফাইন্ড দ্য নাম্বার 25, ফাইন্ড দি, কোনটা যেন নাম্বার 27, তাই তো? হ্যাঁ, so in number
হ্যাঁ
27,
স্যার।
find the equations of the circles which have radius root 10 and touch the line this at point at 1 comma 1. So these are all applications of perpendicular distance between a point and a line. So the radius is root 13 and touch the line 2x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 at 1 comma 1. Okay, so mainly you need to find out the center of the circle, right? You need to find out the center of the circle. Radius is given as root 13. Okay, radius is given as root 13 and it touches the circle and it touches the line 2x minus 3y plus 1 at 1 comma 1. Okay, So see, you mainly need two equations in this sum. In number 23, 27, you need two equations. Why? Because the circle has two coordinates. I mean a comma b. So since there are two unknowns, you need two equations, right? So since there are two unknowns, you need two equations a comma b. So one equation you can find out by calculating the perpendicular distance between the center and the line. So আমি বলছি, so this is the circle, okay, this is the tangent, okay, this is the point, uh, 1 comma 1, okay, and this is the center a comma b, okay. So what is op? Op is root over 13, okay. So that means for what I can write down 2 into a minus 3 into b plus 1 divided by root over 4 plus 9, that is equals to root 30. বুঝতে পেরেছো এটা কি করলাম? I am finding out the distance between this line and
Yes,
this
sir.
center. That gives me 2a plus 3b plus 1 is equals to 13. That is 2a plus 3b is equals to 12. This is one equation, right? Another equation is what? Another equation can be slope of equals to 0. So y is equals to 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. What is the slope? 2 by 3. Okay. Now, just find out the slope of OP. Just find out the slope of OP. Y minus y1. Sorry, slope is y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equals to what? Now see, if 2 by 3 is the slope of this line, then OP is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so what will be the slope of this one? Slope of OP m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So b minus 1 by a minus 1 will be what? Minus 3 by 2. তাই তো বুঝতে পেরেছো কি করলাম? What is the slope of this
Yes,
line?
sir.
2 by 3. What will be the slope of OP, which is perpendicular on this line? m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1, so that is minus 3 by 2. From here you will get another equation. So that is 2b plus 3a is equals to 5. So you have one equation over here, that is 2a minus 3b is 12. Another one equation over here, that is 3a plus 2b is equals to 5, right? If you solve this, if you solve these two equations, you will get a comma b. Once you get a comma b, is very simple. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. বুঝতে পেরেছো নমনি?
Yes, sir.
কি পারোনি? কিচ্ছু পারোনি মনে হচ্ছে। বুঝতে পেরেছো কি পারোনি?
Yes, sir. পেরেছি।
ওকে, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে 27টা এটা ট্রাই করবে, ঠিক আছে? আর লাস্ট সাম 29 এটাও ট্রাই করবে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে তোমার হোমওয়ার্ক হচ্ছে 27টা যেটা করে দিয়েছি এটা কমপ্লিট করবে, আর 29টা নিজের থেকে ট্রাই করবে।